I'm serious about that demo, Love Allen. I think this is it. It sounds great just like this. Do some tweaking. I hate mastering. You know, I asked the master engineer, like, exactly what do you do? And he said, hey, I'm paid by the record label to make your shit real bad. That's what I do. What do you think I do? I'm turning things up. I'm trying to level this as a record. You know, so I just like it to be exactly like it was. I like the demo aspect of what things sound like, the dirtiness. I love grit, grime, and mistakes, and crackle, and static. The labels don't even bother me. They can't come in until I'm done. You know, when I'm finished, then here you go. And that means I'm done with the artwork, I'm done with the photo shoot, I'm done with the video, I'm done with all of this. Now here you go. I'm the artist, you the frame.